Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your MetaMask wallet. First, ensure you've downloaded MetaMask from its official website or a trusted browser extension store. Always double-check the URL to avoid phishing sites. Next, confirm the extension's authenticity by looking for a high number of users and positive reviews. This initial check is vital for safeguarding your crypto assets and preventing unauthorized access to your funds. When connecting your MetaMask to a decentralized application, or DApp, always verify the DApp's legitimacy. Look for official links and community endorsements. Before approving any transaction, meticulously review the details presented in the MetaMask pop-up. Ensure the requested amount and recipient address are correct. Disconnecting your wallet after use adds an extra layer of security, minimizing exposure to potential vulnerabilities. Your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Never, under any circumstances, share it. Write it down and store it securely offline, perhaps in a fireproof safe. Consider using a hardware wallet for significant amounts, as it provides superior protection. Regularly updating your browser and MetaMask extension ensures you benefit from the latest security enhancements and bug fixes, keeping your assets safer. If you experience issues like a DApp not connecting, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, ensure your MetaMask extension is up to date. Reinstalling should be a final option, but only if you have your secret recovery phrase safely backed up. Remember, for more tips and other great deals, check the description below. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.